What's up? In this video, we're going to be putting all of these phones to a battery drain test to see which one lasts the longest. Let's go. Hey there, before we begin this video, my name's Sergio with Surge Tech. In this channel, I do reviews, tutorials, and also talk a lot about passive income. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and do so now. I promise you'll get a ton of valuable information from me. If you want to follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do so now. It's surge.tech. And there's going to be links and resources to all the information that I talked to you about in this video in the description down below. So check that out. And without further ado, let's get right to the video now. All right, so here we have the iPhone XS Max, we have the OnePlus 7 Pro, we have a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, a Note 9, and the new Note 10 Plus. So we're going to be putting all of these devices into a battery drain test. We're going to be opening up different apps for long periods of time. And we're just going to keep letting them run until all of their batteries drain and see which one wins the battery drain test. First off, let's go over the specs on the battery on each device. So the iPhone XS Max has a 3174 lithium-ion mAh battery. The OnePlus 7 Pro has a 4000 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has a 4100 mAh battery. The Note 9 has a 4000 mAh battery, and the new Note 10 Plus has a 4300 mAh lithium-ion battery, making it the phone here with the biggest battery out of all of them. So in this video, we're going to see how well it's going to perform against the rest of all of these devices so that we can see which one really does last the longest. Let's begin. All right, so here we have all of the devices. Let's go ahead and make sure we power them all on first. They're all charged to 100% battery. I have a timer here. We're going to be timing each of them to see how long they last. So as you can see, the iPhone XS Max is at 100%. The OnePlus 7 Pro, 100%. Here we have the Galaxy S10 Plus, also 100%. And yep, here we have a Note 9. Add this one to the test as well to see how much better the Note 10 is. So 100% there as well. And the Note 10 Plus, 100%. All right, we're going to go ahead and put the brightness all the way up on all of the devices. There you go. So make sure that the brightness is all the way up. Yes, they are. First, we're going to be opening Asphalt 9 for about 2 hours. Then we're going to stream music with Pandora for about 2 hours. Then we're going to do some Netflix for about 2 more hours. Then we're going to watch YouTube for another 2 hours. And then after all those hours, we're going to record 4K videos on each of these devices until their batteries completely drain. So we're going to go ahead and get started now. We have the timer right here. So we're going to go ahead and run the game first and see which one lasts the longest. And the Note 10 Plus, opening it up first. Put the volume all the way up on all of them. All right, so it's been 2 hours, 3 minutes. So they've been playing Asphalt 9 for the past 2 hours. Let's go ahead and check their battery percentages. So the iPhone XS Max at 46%, the OnePlus 7 Pro 42%, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus 65%, the Note 9 is at 63%, and the Note 10 Plus is at 58%. Now we're going to go ahead and stream some music from Pandora for another 2 hours. All right, so it's 4 hours, 11 minutes. We've been running streaming music through Pandora. Let's go ahead and check out the battery percentages on each one. All right, so first off, the iPhone XS Max is at 12%. So battery pretty low here on this one. OnePlus 7 Pro, 27%. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, 46%. Note 9, 46%. Note 10 Plus, 42%. These three right here are pretty close. The Samsungs are leading so far. So next up, we're gonna open up YouTube and play a playlist for another 2 hours. So we're gonna go ahead and play this long one right here, 3 hours, 11 minutes. Alright, so it is 4 hours 36 minutes and the iPhone XS Max just died out. It's still feeling hot and warm. So let's go ahead and lap that. So iPhone XS Max, 4 hours and 37 minutes. Wow, pretty bad for the iPhone there. So let's continue and see how much longer the rest lasts. Let's go ahead and check though and see the battery status on each one. So the OnePlus is pretty low. It's almost in the red now. The S10 Plus is at 39%. The Note 9 is at 41%. And the Note 10 Plus is at 37%. Let's go ahead and continue. Alright, so it's 6 hours now and 5 minutes. So that means that we've been playing videos on YouTube now for another 2 hours. Let's go ahead and check the battery percentage on each one. So the OnePlus 7 Pro here at 6%, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus 17%, Note 9 23%, and Note 10 Plus 20%. Alright, so the OnePlus 7 Pro is about to die out. What we're going to do now is we're going to record 4K video on each of these devices until they die out. Let's go ahead and make sure we have 4K on. So let's go ahead and begin recording. So the OnePlus 7 Pro is going to be the next one to go. We'll see how much longer it lasts though. Alright, so few more minutes in. We're 6 hours now and 17 minutes. And the OnePlus 7 Pro is at 1%. So it is about to die. Let's go ahead and check out the S10 Plus. Looks like it's at 12%. Note 9, 18%. Note 10 Plus, 15%. So let's see how much longer the OnePlus 7 Pro lasts. And there you go, the OnePlus 7 Pro just shot off. Let's go ahead and lap it again. So the OnePlus 7 Pro, 6 hours and 19 minutes. Let's go ahead and remove it. And we're gonna continue with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, Note 9 and Note 10 Plus. All right, so the devices got a message on them that they were getting too hot because of recording in 4K quality. So let's go ahead and run some more YouTube. Let's go ahead and check the battery percentages though. So the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus 7%, Note 9 is at 10%, Note 10 Plus is at 10%. So Note 10 Plus and Note 9 are tied at the moment. Let's continue. Let's go ahead and open up Netflix. All right, so we are at 7 hours, 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and check the battery percentage on each one. The S10 Plus is at 2%, the Note 9 is at 4%, and the Note 10 Plus is at 4%. So we'll see how much longer they last. Let's let them run. All right, so we are at 7 hours and 23 minutes, and the Galaxy S10 Plus just died. So it is out of the battle. Let's continue with the Note 9 and the Note 10 Plus. Let's see how they're looking. So the Note 9 3%, Note 10 Plus also 3%. So they are tied up to now. Let's see how much longer they last.
Pero Pétalo salió al bosque a cortar flores. Lo sé. Eso sí es determinismo nominativo. Cuando tu nombre es tu
right, so let's stop it. So both of these phones just died right now, Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and Note 10 Plus. So they tied up 7 hours, 28 minutes. The battery drain test is done. This is the first time I have a tie. I'm not sure exactly what happened here, but super surprised that the Note 9 was able to withstand the same amount of time and apps open as the Note 10 Plus. So super surprising, but we have a tie. All right, so there you have it, guys. That is the battery drain test, the Note 10 Plus against the rest of all of these devices. So there you have the results. The Note 9 somehow hung in there all the way into the end and tied up with the Note 10 Plus. So the results of this test is that the Galaxy Note series do have the longest lasting batteries compared to the rest of all of these devices. I was a little bit surprised. I was expecting the Note 10 Plus to be the winner since it does have the biggest battery, even that over the Note 9, but somehow the Note 9 hung in there all the way until the end. So the result is a draw between the Note 9 and the Note 10 Plus. So that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And as always, peace. Ciao.